Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on PC for free using OBS. OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software, and to me and many people is the best software in terms of screen recording. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the program and how it works, how to configure the program to record your screen, and a couple of tricks for you to get started. So let's get to it. Installing the software. To download the Open Broadcast software, you have to go to obsproject.com. There you'll find the official website of OBS Studio, and it doesn't matter which operating system you have because, as you see, it can work in Windows, in macOS, and in Linux. So, if you are using Windows, like in my case, you have to choose the Windows button, and then you have to save your download in the folder you want. Once you have the program downloaded, follow the on-screen indications to install it in your computer. After installing the program, you will open it and it will look like this. How to use OBS Studio. The first thing you have to know is that the program is divided in several windows. You have to be sure you always have a scene here, so if you don't have one, just click on the plus sign and add one. A scene is composed of different sources. Clicking in the plus button, you can choose between audio, input or output if you want to record a browser, a color source, a game, and all these other options. But if you want to record your screen, you have to choose Display Capture. The next window is the audio mixer. Inside, you can modify the volumes of the recording. You have three faders, the audio output capture, the desktop audio, and the mic aux. To me, the important ones are the stop and mic aux. Of course, you can record your voice in post-production, but if you want to do it live, maybe you'll want to mix the volumes before recording. To do it, all you have to do is move the faders. If I lower this fader, my voice will be lower in the mix. So you can modify this the way you want and make your perfect mix. Then we have some scene transitions like fade, swipe, slide, stinger, fade to color, and lumen wipe, and the controls. If you're a beginner, the only button you have to know is the Start Recording button, this one here. With the same button, you'll start and pause the recordings. You must know that going to Tools, you have the Auto Configuration Wizard. With this Auto Configuration Wizard, you can choose the best configuration for you. In my case, and maybe your case too, you will choose the Optimized just for recording because you will not be streaming. So choose that option, then click on Next. Here you can specify the video settings you would like to use. You can leave it by default as it is right now, and here you'll see the results. After doing this, all you have to do is click on Apply Settings, and that will be all. Settings. Okay, first look for the Settings button. Here in General, you can choose the language and the theme. You can choose between Acry theme, the Ragni theme, the system theme, and the dark theme. Going to the important settings, let's go to Output. In Output, you can choose the format of the videos and where do you want to save your videos. In my case, I have created a folder inside videos that's named Recorded with OBS, so it's really easy for me to find my screen recordings. And then you have recording quality. You can choose like same stream, high quality, that is the one I'm using, indistinguishable quality, and lossless quality. I recommend using high quality because it's a really good quality and no one knows this difference. And in format, I recommend MP4 because it's the format that YouTube uses. So if you are going to upload your screen recording to YouTube, I recommend using MP4. In audio, you can choose the sample rate and the channels if you want stereo, mono, or any other configuration. In video, you can choose the aspect ratio, and that's like a big picture of the settings configuration. Once you have your setting configuration ready, click on apply and then hit OK. Now you are ready to record your screen and make all kinds of videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.